When it comes to choosing a printer, it's important to find one that meets your labeling needs and expectations. From small printers to our Zebra workhorses, EIM has the printer you need. When deciding which printer to purchase, there are 4 factors to consider: resolution, durability, label size, and connection. When it comes to resolution, you can get 203, 300, or 600 dots per inch, or DPI, for direct thermal and thermal transfer, depending on the printer you choose. Direct thermal uses heat to print directly onto the labels, while thermal transfer uses heat to transfer the ink onto the labels, meaning that thermal transfer labels have more durability, while direct thermal costs you less overall. As for durability, some printers can handle larger batches than others. Will you print 5 labels or 10,000? Label size is another important consideration. Small printers only print small labels, so you may need a larger printer depending on the size of label you want to print. Finally, the type of connection port is important to consider. Our printers are typically compatible with USB, Ethernet, and/or USB host. Before committing to a printer, make sure it has the connection port you need for your system. EIM's label printers can be broken down into 3 categories: low-volume desktop printers, mid-range volume printers, and high-volume, high-performance industrial printers. Low-volume desktop printers are a great fit for those who want to print infrequently, require a lower DPI of 203 or 300, and need small labels. They also take up less space and can fit on your desktop. These printers are especially helpful to those looking for a lower-cost entry-level option. Mid-range printers are a great fit for average industrial and commercial printing, since they use larger media rolls and require fewer changeovers. High-volume, high-performance printers are a great fit for those who need a large throughput and fast, non-stop printing. Our large printers allow for 203 to 600 dots per inch, ensuring high-quality printing. Ready to find the right printer for you? Reach out to the label experts today to find the perfect fit.